Good morning. Today is June 20th and I've left this small city and wonderful town of, actually not city, town of Austin, Nevada. People are very friendly. I really managed to get a day, basically a day and a half worth of rest, which I really needed. I climbed two passes. One is, let's see, the Austin Summit at 7,484 feet, and then the Bob Scott Summit at 7,195. And I am still on Highway 50, and in the distance there, in the valley, you can see that straight run. That is Highway 50. I will be covering all that territory today. It is again a breathtaking experience. America is, we have the best piece of land, and I've said this to my students 1,000 times, on the planet, and it's such a responsibility of each and every one of us to take care of this beautiful land we've been given. Again, students, it's an honor and it's a pleasure to be able to, be in the process of delivering to you my promise of cycling across the country. I have to make adjustments and modifications as the circumstances may require, but my goal is to get to Florida. I hope to be able to still stay on the primary route, which is once I get to St. Louis, Missouri, all the way to Jamestown, and then down the Atlantic coast, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. But if I find that it is not possible due to time constraints, then when I get to Cave-in Rock in Kentucky, I will have to head south along a very important historic route, which is the Underground Railroad. That will take me to Mobile, Alabama, and then I will cross across the Florida Panhandle, going past Tallahassee. Again, St. Augustine will be a point of arrival where I will reach the Atlantic. I am committed. I appreciate your prayers, your support, your kind words. Look, even the bird is here singing. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch you later. Alright, bye. Okay guys, another storm coming, but this time I have the sights on. So let's see how it fares. I think this will be a test, a very big test. It is windy, and it's not going to be pretty. Now where I was coming and looked like it was dark, it really was. But okay, well, I'm ready as best I can. We will test this. I am 49 miles away from Eureka. I was hoping to be able to make more progress, but the rain's going to slow me down. So, well, we'll see what happens and how it goes. We will give it the best shot. Alright, guys? And I guess I'll catch you later. Okay, kids, if you can see in the distance something that looks like a mirror, or actually water, that is what is considered a mirage. It is the evaporation of the water just above the surface of the highway. It's a very thin. You can see the lights now of a car that's coming, and they are shining as if they were shining on a pond. Well, there's just a very small film of evaporation that, because of the distance and the angle, it looks like it is actually water. Well, this is a mirage, and I just wanted to take the opportunity to explain it. So this evaporation makes it look like a lake. In reality, it's just nothing more than the hard surface of the asphalt. Okay, I am right now on the Grimes Plain Hills. Not just no, actually no, I just crossed Dry Creek Road. Interesting thing, I put on the canopy on the sides, and it didn't rain. Well, such is life. In any event, if you're not prepared, then it does rain. So, Alright, we are soon to enter into Eureka County. And right now, yes, it's about in about 4 miles, because I just went over Stoneburger Creek, and then I have the Bean Flat, and the Bean Flat runs for 22 miles, and that will take me until another summit. Actually, no, Roberts CR Circle Road, yes, Circle Road, and oh look, a Yahoo Canyon, the word Yahoo, but not as in the search engine. Okay, and then so that's 22 miles and then 12 miles, and we should be very close to Eureka. We might even make it tonight. Alright, okay guys, catch you later. Endless road. Oh, beautiful plains. You see the entire patterns of the local weather, how certain parts of the valley, this is a very wide valley, actually it's more like a plateau, how, you know, they get showered by rain, and while other parts of it, like over to the southeast here, you have these mountains, the sun is shining. It's breathtaking. It's a beautiful experience. Folks, I can't complain. It could have been worse in the sense that it could have been extremely hot, and I was prepared for an extreme environment in that sense. And not that it can't change. These things change minute by minute. You know, as I was climbing up the last path, I was sure it was going to rain, but then it didn't. Now, the good advantage to that is every time we do something, we learn something. Look, I've now just positioned the sides in a way where now they come with convenience drop down if I need to. So, beautiful view. Again, a mirage ahead. You can see it. You can look at that mirror-like image on the road. A reflection, actually, not image. Reflection. And it's just, again, breathtaking. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.